Children, I hope you all have completed block 3 S1 and S2, workbook S1 and S2. Now, in this S3 we are going to learn to ask more questions. What happened in the previous class? What did we do? We learned to ask WH questions. WH question means, for example, what is your name? Where do you come from? When is your birthday? Like that we learned. But today in this session, we are going to learn to ask more questions by using does or do. Okay. See children, in page number 23, have you seen this picture? Yes. Here, does Ben look happy in this picture? Does Ben look happy in this picture? No, Ben does not look happy in this picture. She is crying. Do you see Ben's mother in this picture? Do you see Ben's mother in this picture? Yes, I see Ben's mother in this picture. Okay? Now children, if you observe these answers, see what is the question? Does Ben look happy in this picture? See, the answer started with no. The answer started with no. Ben does not look happy in this picture. See children, here I have underlined does not. When no comes here, here you have to use does not. No, Ben does not look happy in this picture. Now come to the next question. Do you see Ben's mother in this picture? Yes. See, this answer also started with yes. I see Ben's mother in this picture. So when we are asking the questions with does or do, the answers are starting with yes or no. Okay. Now children, we are going to learn when we have to use do, when we have to use does to ask the questions. See, for example, first person to second person. See, for example, I am the first person. You are the second person. Then I should use do. Then I should use do. Do you come with me? Or do you have a pen? Like that. See, I'll show you with some examples. See, first person to second person means I am asking you. So that's why we have to use do. Do you have a toy car? Do you have a toy car? Here see, this question starts with do. So then maybe the answer should be yes or no. If you are having toy car, what you have to say? You have to say yes, I have a toy car. Now second one, do you have a pet dog? See, for example, everyone, they don't have pet dogs. So then that time what they will tell? No, I do not have a pet dog. See children, did you observe here? Yes, I have a toy car. Do you have a pet dog? No. When no comes, what you have to write? I do not. No, I do not have a pet dog. Now comes to the third one. Do you come with me? If you want to come with me, yes teacher, I will come with you. So like that, what you have to tell? Yes, I come with you. Do you come with me? Yes, I come with you. Now the last one. Do you know how to swim? See, for example, if you ask me, I will tell no. I do not know how to swim. That is my answer. So these are all the questions, when we are asking the questions with do. So the answer should start with yes or no. Obviously it will come like that only. Do you know how to swim? No, I do not know how to swim. Let's see when we have to use does to ask the question. See here, this is the first person, second person and third person. As I told you, first person is I. Then the second person is you. Then who is this third person? Maybe he must be your friend, or maybe he must be your neighbor, or maybe you know this person. Then they will third person. When we are going to ask the questions about third persons, we have to use does. We have to use does. Let's try with does. Let's try the same questions by using does. Okay? See here, does she have a toy car? See, she is the third person. She or he is the third person. Now see, for example, if she is having a toy car, I am not asking you children, I am asking the third person. Okay, so then that time, does she have a toy car? If she has, yes, she has a toy car. If she is not having the toy car, what she will tell? What you will tell? No, she does not have a toy car. See here children, when yes comes, she has a toy car. When no comes, what we are doing? We are adding does, the word in the question, the same word, and also we are adding not. No, she does not have a toy car. Now let's come to the second one. Does he have a pet dog? No, he does not have a pet dog. No, he does not have a pet dog. If he has a pet dog, yes, he has a pet dog. Third one, does she come with me? Yes, she comes with you. Yes, she comes with you. For example, she doesn't want to come with me. No, she does not come with you. Like this, we have to write the answers. Okay, when we have to use do, when we are asking the question from first person to second person, then we have to use do. When we are going to ask the question about the third person, okay, maybe he must be not there near us. So we are going to ask about that person. Then that time we have to use does. Okay children? See, now I have written some question and answers on the board. When do you go to the beach? What is the answer for that? I go to the beach every Sunday. Do they like to draw? No, they do not like to draw. What does he like to do? He likes to sing. Does she have a dog? No, she does not have a dog. Do you like chocolates? Yes, I like chocolates. How are answers to WH questions different from answers to do you or does she or does he? Okay, now WH questions have different answers for different WH words. See, for example, the answer to a when question is always a time. The answer to a question what is always about something. But for do or does, questions are always answered with yes or no. Okay, is it clear? Question also a sentence. All questions are sentences, but they always end with a question mark instead of full stop. They also sound different. Okay, our voice goes up at the end of a question. See, for example, do they like to draw? Does she have a dog? Like that. Okay, children? I hope you all understood, children. Okay, now let's do the workbook. Open your workbooks, children. S3, more questions. Write today's date 26-8-2020. Now the first one. Match the questions with their answers. Match the questions with their answers. See children, here you have to match the questions with their answers. Okay, see for example, when do you go to the beach? See even, I go to the beach every Sunday. Like this you have to draw the line. Okay, complete the first one. Now let's come to the second one. Write questions for the given answers. Here they have given you the answer. Yes, I have a younger brother. See, this answer starts with yes. So means how the question you have, how you have to write the question. Do you have a younger brother? Like that question you have to write. See B1. No, I don't know how to swim. Do you know how to swim? That is the question. Look at the picture and write two questions about it. See, have you seen this picture? What is this? Yes, this is school. So you have to write two questions about this picture. So for example, first one. Where is your school? You can write. Do you like to go to school? You can write. Complete S3 children. Thank you.